So obviously in stock form, the F10 M5 is a very, very capable vehicle that is quite unsuspecting, definite wolf in sheep's clothing. While many people prefer to keep it that way, my mindset is always to be as aggressive and loud as possible. Today we're doing a follow-up test on my 2013 BMW M5. We've installed the full Armytrix Valvetronic exhaust system, including the optional downpipes, and we've also done an ESS tuning stage 1 plus flash to the ECUs. Today we've netted a total of 615 wheel horsepower, 575 foot-pounds of torque for a gain of 95 wheel horsepower and 100 wheel torque, which is absolutely ridiculous. You're talking about a luxury German sedan that has heated and air-conditioned seats, massagers, and it then also has the ability to beat things like C7, Z06s, GTRs. It's the best of both worlds. The Armytrix exhaust system is by far my favorite upgrade on the car. It's loud, it's aggressive, turbo noises, pops, cracks, burbles, just a phenomenal exhaust tone. In the mornings when I fire it up in the garage, the valves are closed, it's not, rattling things off the wall, my neighbors don't hate me. And then once I've pulled away from the driveway and out of the neighborhood, I can then open the valves up and bring the car to life. You can purchase this phenomenal exhaust system through vividracing.com or by calling 480-966-3040 and speaking to anyone in the sales department.